Congratulations on purchasing the Arlo audio doorbell from the nation's #1 connected internet brand. The Arlo audio doorbell gives you the power to answer the door no matter where you are using your connected tablet or smartphone. The Arlo audio doorbell comes in various packaging options and various security kit formats. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Arlo Pro 2 Plus audio doorbell system, a complete home security solution. The Arlo audio doorbell is designed for easy do-it-yourself installation. The system includes all the hardware you'll need to easily install the components on any surface in just minutes. It works with most existing wired or digital doorbells, or serves as the perfect addition to any home without one. It's also fully compatible with other Arlo cameras and companion devices like Arlo Chime. Your Arlo audio doorbell is powered by 2 AA batteries. It has a small security screw at the bottom, which keeps it firmly in place once installed. The battery cover also serves as the mounting bracket. It's simple to install and easily connects to existing wiring. The Arlo base station comes with a power supply and an Ethernet cable that plugs into your home router. Your Arlo wire-free cameras each include a battery and a micro USB charging cable. The camera comes fully charged. Just place the battery inside with the logo facing up. With your components powered up, you're ready for easy installation. Enjoy greater safety, security, and peace of mind with the Arlo audio doorbell. For an installation tutorial and other Arlo content, please visit the community pages at arlo.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel.